Anna Musgraves was a great note taker. She recorded things I said again and again over 2 years that other doctors would not acknowledge. She actually wrote it down in her record, the things that I said. So she gets some brownie points for that. She said that, I need an MRI, and to call her via the Christ Health Center for referral confirmation. She told me I could get financial help to pay for an MRI at Cooper Green Hospital, and through St. Vincent's Access to Care program, who coincidentally both have their own MRI machines, or access to their own MRI machines. She told me if Cooper Green and Access to Care would not help me, UAB would help me. UAB Hospital, University of Alabama, Birmingham. They would help me via some financial assistance scheme, but only if I was rejected by those two first. That was Miss Anna Musgraves' understanding, as she reiterated it to me. I thought that was rather interesting. So, but I had to be turned down by Cooper Green and St. Vincent's Access to Care first. Then UAB would help me. I don't know how that works. I don't know why she thinks that. I don't have a lot of details on a number of issues, this being one of them. Was told to consider psych etiology, but I wouldn't discuss it as an option. Well, there's nothing to discuss, really. I knew deep down that I'd broken my skull. And why would a doctor or a nurse try to steer you in the direction of, it being some kind of figment of my imagination, when they don't know what my injury is? And again, I believe they were going off of talking points. They were operating on instructions from the hospital. They covered up my injury. They knew that they had lied to me. They tried to cover it up, and they were directing these subordinate doctors and nurses and medical centers, their attendants, to push this psychological designation. Leaving with what I thought was a referral, I felt that this visit was worth it. And just a few days before, I'd been to St. Vincent's East Hospital, Birmingham, Alabama, Ascension Health, and had gotten a CT scan. And in the pictures, you can clearly see that I'd broken the underside of my skull. I took these pictures later to Christ Health Center to try to show them to Anna Musgraves and anybody else who would listen. But I was told at the front desk by a nurse that they do not look at images.